Hey there, my name is Guillaume and I'm a software engineer here at CircleCI. Today I'm going to walk you through the Insights dashboard. It's an easy-to-use source of information about your organization's CI and CD performance and usage. In addition to providing an overview of health and activity within CircleCI, one of our primary goals with the Insights dashboard is to leverage our wealth of data to help your team make better informed engineering decisions. Whether it's identifying problematic tests or areas for improvements, or optimizing credit consumption, Insights aggregates all of your data across CircleCI and helps you visualize it and understand how it changes over time. Let's get started with a quick and easy way to access your Insights dashboard. All you have to do is open a browser and type in app.circleci.com/insights. If you're already logged into your CircleCI account, this will take you directly there. Alternatively, when working in CircleCI, you can access the Insights dashboard at any time by clicking Insights within the left-hand navigation. Before we drill into the dashboard, it's important to understand the different views of activity that you're able to see within Insights. Right now we're looking at your org level insights, which is a summary of all projects and activity within an organization. As you can see here, within the CircleCI org, there's been 81,000 workflow runs with a total workflow duration of over 163 days, 7.5 million credits consumed, and an overall success rate of 90%. This is across all projects within CircleCI over the last 30 days. While the last 30 days is the default time range, you can zero in on a specific time range using this drop-down window. Next to each of the metrics, you'll notice an up or down arrow with a corresponding percentage, which indicates how much that metric has increased or decreased compared to the previous time window. If you've been using CircleCI for a while, you're probably already familiar with the metrics showcased here, but if at any time you need an explanation of what's being showcased, you can always hover over the tooltip icon for more details. Next up, let's go a layer deeper and take a look at the project level insights, which provides performance data for a specific project. From the main dashboard, you're able to see a summary of all of the projects within your organization, along with metrics like total credits consumed, duration, runs, and success rate for each. To take a closer look at any individual project, simply click on the project name. From here, you can see a summary of performance on the workflow level, or the insights specific to your CI activity. This view aggregates metrics like the number of runs, the total duration, credits consumed, success rate, and throughput, or the average number of workflow runs per day. Clicking on a specific workflow will take you to a more detailed view where you'll find some charts to help you visualize how it has performed over time. You'll notice that across the different visualizations, failure and error states are highlighted in red, success states in green, and cancelled jobs in gray. Clicking into Jobs next to the Overview tab at the top of the page will bring you into a view of job level insights, which is the most granular view of information specific to an individual job. Here you can get a breakdown of credits, duration, number of runs, and the success rate specific to each job. You can also click on Download Table to export a CSV file of this data directly to your hard drive. And finally, let's jump into the Test tab. Test Insights provides performance data down to the test level and can be used to pinpoint problematic tests. This top view provides a snapshot of your overall test activity, including the average tests per run, test failures, slowest P95 duration, and the number of flaky tests detected. When you enable Test Insights, CircleCI will identify flaky tests for you. These are tests that pass and fail non-deterministically. If you continue to scroll through this page, you'll find more detailed information about your flaky tests. Here, you can find a detailed summary of flaky test activity, including the test name, when it last flaked, and how many times that test has been flaky. With this view, you and your team have the capability to zero in on unreliable tests with the goal to diagnose issues that would otherwise create ongoing problems. Finally, as you scroll down, we've created an aggregate view of most failed tests as well as slowest running tests. You'll notice that tests also deemed to be flaky will have a badge with this designation next to the name, further allowing you to diagnose sources of problematic code. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about the Insights dashboard. We're continuously working on the Insights experience with more data and more analytic power to provide you with actionable insight into your activity within CircleCI. As you explore the dashboard, make sure to keep the Insights metrics glossary handy. It provides detailed explanations of all the terms and metrics that are found within the dashboard. We'll include a link to this in the video description, as well as a link to our Insights documentation, which provides a deeper dive into all of the Insights features and functionality.